American Express relaunching another card. No surprise there. This time it's the American Express Green Card. This is the original Amex charge card that was introduced in the 50s or something like that. And until today, it wasn't that great of a card, having very low welcome bonus, no bonus spend categories, and a $95 annual fee. There was almost no point of getting it, especially with competition like the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the City Premier. Both have high welcome bonuses and awesome bonus spend categories and benefits. Now things are changing for the Amex Green Card, and it has a whole host of new benefits that I'll explain in detail in this video. So hit the like button if you haven't already, and let's get on with the video. Hey guys, my name is Rami, and if you'd like to learn about maximizing your credit cards, points, and miles for award travel, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, check out the valuable links in the description. So the first new thing here for the Amex Green Card is the welcome bonus. Right now, the card comes with a bonus of 30,000 membership rewards points after spending $2,000 in the first 3 months, plus a $100 statement credit on away luggage purchases in the first 3 months also. This offer ends on January 15, 2020. So in terms of points, it's not the most lucrative welcome bonus, but it's not that bad either. It's almost as good as the 35,000 points standard offer on the Amex Gold Card, but the Green Card right now comes with a $100 away luggage credit. That's not bad at all. If you're in the market for a new carry-on or want to get one as a gift for someone in your life this holiday season, that's not a bad deal. I mean, their typical carry-on starts at around $200, $225, so a $100 off of that is great. They also have a bunch of other products like backpacks and toiletry bags and stuff for much cheaper. Now, if the 30,000 points offer is not good enough for you, guess what? If you use someone's referral link, mine is in the description, you can find the Green Card offering 35,000 points, and the away luggage credit goes up from $100 to $150. Also, there is a targeted offer floating around that's giving 45,000 points and $100 away luggage credit. So see which offer you like best or you can find and go for it. I actually already opened this card for my wife. I'm not going to get it for myself now since I want to stay under 524 for a little while. The minimum spend requirement is very reasonable, and I'll take the bonus points, and I can also get good use out of the away luggage credit. Traveling with a baby now requires extra luggage, and this past trip I had to borrow one from my parents, so this may actually make perfect sense for us right now. If you want to get it too, I'd really appreciate it if you use the links in the description. And when you're redirected, if you don't see the Amex Green Card right away, you can easily search for it under Card Issuer and select American Express. Also, make sure to click Show More to read the Advertiser disclosure. Okay, let's move to the bonus spend categories, which is very exciting. The Amex Green Card will now earn 3x on travel and dining. This is very much in line with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, not even the Preferred. The dining category here is kind of redundant if you have the Amex Gold Card, which earns 4x on dining. But the 3x on travel is amazing because it also includes transit. So this is the first time that Amex uses a broad travel category for anything. The Amex Platinum offers 5x on airfare and 5x on hotels booked through Amex Travel. And the Amex Gold earns 3x on airfare only. So now to see them add 3x earning on a broad travel category is awesome. Per the terms and conditions, travel means airfare, hotels, cruises, car rentals, campgrounds, trains, taxi cabs, rideshare services, tours, ferries, tolls, parking, buses, subways, third-party travel websites, and on AmexTravel.com. That's pretty exciting. Now, the extra perks that come with this card are awesome in my opinion. You get an annual $100 credit for Clear membership. If you don't know what Clear is, it's a way to move through security lines faster and quicker by using your fingertips and eyes as a way to identify you instead of a physical ID card. This is not only available at select airports, which I think right now are 28 airports, but at some stadiums as well. The regular price for this membership is $179 per year, which is on the high side compared to TSA PreCheck, for example. But there's usually coupon codes out there to bring that down to $149. Plus, they have a partnership with Delta SkyMiles that gets you deep discounts. So if you have Diamond Medallion status with Delta, you can actually get Clear for free. If you're Platinum, Gold, or Silver, or have a Delta SkyMiles credit card, you get the Clear membership for only $109 per year. And if you're just a member of SkyMiles without Elite status or a credit card, you can get it for $119 per year. Now, Clear also has the same kind of pricing structure with United Airlines. You can also get up to 3 adult family members for only $50 each per year, and kids under 18 years old can tag along for free. What's really cool is that all it takes to get the discounted rates is entering your SkyMiles number or your United Mileage Plus number when you enroll, and then you can pay with your Amex Green Card to stack on the $100 credit. That's just amazing. So you can basically get the Clear membership for as little as $9 per year. Another statement credit that comes with the new Amex Green Card is an annual $100 towards Lounge Buddy. American Express acquired Lounge Buddy back in April, and now we see why. I personally don't see much value in Lounge Buddy since it charges very high amounts for one-time lounge access per person. They say prices start at $25, but doing a couple of searches for lounges at JFK and Dallas just to get an idea, the lounges that came up cost between $39 and $50, which is crazy. Plus, if you have the Amex Platinum card or a Priority Pass membership through cards like City Prestige or Chase Sapphire Reserve, you won't really need this benefit. So whatever, it'll just be a benefit that you don't use, or maybe you'll find a decent lounge at an airport near you that's reasonably priced. As far as redeeming points, nothing special here. The points you earn with the Green Card automatically combines with any other Amex card you have that also earns membership rewards points and that you have under the same online account. And as always, the best ways to use membership rewards points is by transferring them to the many transfer partners that Amex has. Some of my favorites are Singapore Airlines, Qantas Airlines, and Aeroplan. Delta is not a bad option also. Finally, the annual fee of the Amex Green Card is obviously increasing, as is the case with any card refresh. The annual fee is going up to $150, which is not bad given the benefits of the card. I value Amex membership rewards points at least 2 cents per point, so the 30,000 points welcome bonus could be worth $600 when you redeem it for high value redemptions by transferring to airline partners. And you also get the $100 away luggage credit. I can't really value this credit at face value because if you're not looking to buy luggage right now, or you're fine with buying a whole set for like $99 on Amazon or Costco, then paying $250 to get $100 back on a single carry-on bag might not be worth it for you. So the value of the $100 away credit is really based on what you'll do with it. On the other hand, the annual $100 Clear credit is awesome and very useful for any frequent flyer, which ultimately can easily bring the effective annual fee down to $50. So bottom line, I'm content with the new Amex Green Card. It's not super exciting like when the Gold Card came out last year, but it's not terrible either. I'm so happy I got it for my wife and excited to see how much value I really will get out of it over the course of a full year. If you'd like to get it too, I'd really appreciate it if you use my links in the description. And like I said, when you redirect it, if you don't see the Amex Green Card right away, you can easily search for it under Card Issuer and select American Express. Also, make sure to click Show More to read the advertiser disclosure. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the new Amex Green Card. Are you going to get it? Do you like the changes? And what you wish was added as a benefit? Would love to read your thoughts. And by the way, a very important point is that if you have or had the old Green Card, you're not eligible to get the welcome bonus from this card. This is not a new product, it's just a refresh. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.